This is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to begin with, open up the control center by swiping downward from the right part of the status bar. Then among the available shortcuts, locate the one that is responsible for the Wi-Fi, then touch and hold at its icon, and once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of, and in front of a network name, you'll find this little icon if the network is saved, of course, which you want to tap on, and at the following page, the QR code gets revealed, and well, you can further just scan it by any other device and get automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.